Welcome back, everybody. Today I am going to be making oat milk. This is something I do quite often, and even now, while we are all on self-quarantine, some of you might be looking for a milk alternative, and this is something I do for my kids. Okay, so to get started on my oat milk, I will be using quick oats. You could use what you have on hand, but I typically have quick oats in my pantry. You could use old-fashioned rolled oats with this, but this is what I'm using today. I will be using 1 cup of quick oats. I also like to add some sugar. Sugar is to taste. I will probably add maybe 3 teaspoons to this. But again, if you want to exclude the sugar, water and oats will give you oat milk. But I like to add a little extra flavoring because my kids like to drink this. I'm also going to be adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a dash of ground cinnamon. I'll probably use maybe 1/8 of a teaspoon. Again, a lot of like the vanilla and the cinnamon and the sugar, those are to your taste. And I also have water. I'll start with 1 liter of water. My blender cup is not large enough to take more than this. Okay, so here's my blender cup. I'm going to add my water. That should do the trick. I'm going to go ahead and add my vanilla extract. And I'll start with, I guess, a tablespoon of sugar works. Yeah, that'll work. I'm also going to add my dash of ground cinnamon. And then, actually, you want to add these. You don't want these to soak too much. You really want to work quick with this because if you let it soak in your water and do other things, then blend it, it'll yield a slimier texture. So I'm not going to overblend it. It's only going to go into my blender for about 10 seconds, and then I'm going to strain it. The quicker you work with this, the less slimy your oat milk will be. I have it set up on my blender. Now I'm going to add my oats, my lid, make sure that's on there. Now I'm going to blend quickly. Okay, so now I'm going to strain this out. Okay, so here I have my large cup, and I have a wire mesh strainer with a damp cheesecloth in it. You want to make sure it's damp. I made the mistake of using something dry and it doesn't go through as well, so okay. So now I'm just going to pour this right through my wire mesh strainer. I'm going to just give it a light press. Oops. Just like that. And that is oat milk. It's as easy as that. And it's with the little dash of cinnamon and a little bit of sugar, it makes a nice healthy drink for my kids when they just want to, when they want some milk. It's a good milk alternative. Here's something that I like to do. I store them in these small glass jars, and this is something that I put in the fridge, and my kids can have a cold drink of oat milk. It's a good way to stay hydrated, and it's a good milk alternative. There we go. So I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.